Bringing a new life into the world is an event filled with excitement, anticipation, and a touch of anxiety. This is true whether you're a human expecting a baby or a dog about to become a mother. Pregnancy is a remarkable journey, and for our canine companions, it's a time when their bodies undergo incredible transformations to nurture and protect their unborn puppies. Understanding the signs of pregnancy in dogs is crucial for responsible pet owners. Recognizing these signs early allows you to provide your furry friend with the care and support she needs throughout her pregnancy and prepare for the arrival of adorable puppies. This journey of canine pregnancy is one of wonder and tenderness. As responsible and loving owners, it is our privilege to accompany our dogs on this journey, providing them with the best possible care every step of the way. From the subtle hints in the early days to the undeniable evidence in the later stages, we'll explore the physical and behavioral changes that indicate your beloved dog might be expecting. The first few weeks of a dog's pregnancy are often marked by subtle changes that might easily go unnoticed. These early signs can be ambiguous, sometimes mirroring symptoms of other conditions. It's like trying to decipher a secret code, looking for clues that tell a bigger story. One of the most common early signs is morning sickness. Just like humans, some pregnant dogs experience bouts of nausea, especially in the morning. This is often caused by hormonal fluctuations and usually subsides after a couple of weeks. You might also notice changes in your dog's appetite. Some dogs become less interested in food, while others seem hungrier than usual. Another telltale sign is a change in nipple appearance. During the early stages of pregnancy, your dog's nipples may become slightly enlarged and more prominent. This is due to the increased blood flow and hormonal changes preparing her body for milk production. Keep in mind that these early signs are not always present or obvious in every pregnant dog. Some dogs sail through the first few weeks without exhibiting any noticeable changes. As your dog's pregnancy progresses into the mid-stage, typically around weeks 4 to 6, the signs become more evident. Her growing belly is harder to miss, a visible testament to the tiny lives developing inside her. Her appetite may fluctuate during this time, with periods of increased hunger followed by days when she's less interested in food. This is perfectly normal as her body adjusts to the demands of pregnancy. You might also observe changes in her nipple size and color. The nipples will become even more enlarged and may darken in color, taking on a pinker hue. This is a clear indication that her mammary glands are developing in preparation for nursing her puppies. Remember, every dog is unique, and the timing and intensity of these signs can vary. If you suspect your dog might be pregnant, it's always best to consult with your veterinarian for confirmation and guidance. The final stages of pregnancy, typically from week 7 onwards, are a time of significant change for both you and your dog. Her belly will be noticeably distended, and you might even be able to feel the puppies moving inside her. This is an incredibly special time, as you anticipate the arrival of the new additions to your family. Your dog's mammary glands will continue to develop, and you may notice some milk leakage as her body prepares for lactation. She might also start exhibiting nesting behaviors such as gathering blankets or toys in a secluded spot. This is a natural instinct as she prepares a safe and comfortable space for her puppies. As the big day approaches, your dog's weight will have increased significantly, reflecting the growth of her puppies. She might seem more tired and lethargic, needing more rest as her body conserves energy for labor and delivery. This is an exciting yet critical time, and it's essential to provide your dog with a calm and supportive environment. Make sure she has a comfortable place to rest, access to fresh water, and plenty of love and attention. Section 5. Getting confirmation diagnostic tests for pregnancy. While observing your dog's physical and behavioral changes can provide valuable clues, the only way to confirm pregnancy definitively is through veterinary diagnosis. Your veterinarian has a range of tools and techniques at their disposal to determine if your furry friend is indeed expecting. One of the earliest methods for confirming pregnancy is palpation, which involves your veterinarian gently feeling your dog's abdomen to detect the presence of developing puppies. This technique requires expertise and is typically only accurate between weeks 3 and 5 of gestation. Ultrasound is a safe and non-invasive imaging technique that allows your veterinarian to visualize the puppies in the womb, monitor their heartbeats, and assess the overall health of the pregnancy. Ultrasound is usually performed around 25 to 30 days after mating and is considered the most reliable method for pregnancy confirmation. Another diagnostic option is a hormone test, specifically a blood test that detects the presence of relaxin. Relaxin is a hormone produced during pregnancy in dogs, and its presence in the bloodstream is a strong indicator of pregnancy. This test can be performed around 21 to 25 days after mating. Section 6. Separating fact from fiction. Pregnancy misconceptions. Pregnancy in dogs, much like in humans, is often surrounded by myths and misconceptions. It's important to separate fact from fiction to ensure your furry friend receives the best possible care during this special time. One common misconception is that all pregnant dogs experience noticeable physical and behavioral changes. While many dogs exhibit the classic signs of pregnancy, some experience what's known as a silent pregnancy, where symptoms are minimal or absent until the later stages. Another misconception is that changes in behavior or appetite alone are definitive proof of pregnancy. While these can be indicators, they can also be symptoms of other medical conditions. It's crucial to remember that every dog is different, and there's no one-size-fits-all approach to pregnancy. If you have any concerns or questions, always consult with your veterinarian for accurate information and personalized guidance. Section 7. Caring for your expectant mother. Once your veterinarian confirms your dog's pregnancy, you'll want to provide her with the best possible care to support her health and the well-being of her developing puppies. This includes providing her with a balanced and nutritious diet, ensuring she gets regular exercise, and making necessary adjustments to her living environment. As her pregnancy progresses, you may need to transition her to a high-quality puppy food that is specifically formulated to meet the increased nutritional demands of pregnancy and lactation. Consult with your veterinarian to determine the appropriate feeding schedule and portion sizes for your dog's breed, age, and activity level. Maintaining a regular exercise routine is essential for your dog's physical and mental health throughout her pregnancy. However, it's important to avoid strenuous activities or excessive jumping, as this could put undue stress on her developing puppies. Opt for gentle walks, playtime in the backyard, and swimming if your dog enjoys it. Creating a comfortable and stress-free environment for your expectant mother is crucial. Provide her with a cozy and quiet place to rest, away from loud noises and distractions. As her due date approaches, you may notice her exhibiting nesting behaviors such as gathering blankets or toys. Section 8. False pregnancy in dogs. False pregnancy, also known as pseudopregnancy or phantom pregnancy, is a condition that can occur in unspayed female dogs, typically a few weeks after their heat cycle. During a false pregnancy, a dog's body mimics the hormonal changes of a real pregnancy, leading to physical and behavioral changes that can be remarkably similar to those of an actual pregnancy. Dogs experiencing a false pregnancy may exhibit a range of symptoms, including mammary gland development, milk production, abdominal distension, nesting behaviors, and even changes in appetite and temperament. They may become more affectionate, protective of their toys, or even display aggression towards other animals or people. The exact cause of false pregnancy is not fully understood, but it is believed to be related to hormonal fluctuations that occur after a heat cycle. During a heat cycle, a dog's body releases hormones that prepare her for pregnancy, even if mating has not occurred. In some cases, these hormonal changes can persist after the heat cycle has ended, leading to a false pregnancy. While false pregnancy is not typically harmful, it can be distressing for both the dog and her owner. If you suspect your dog might be experiencing a false pregnancy, it's essential to consult with your veterinarian for diagnosis and guidance. Section 9. Conclusion: Preparing for parenthood. As your dog's pregnancy journey nears its end, it's time to prepare for the arrival of her adorable puppies. This is an exciting time, filled with anticipation and the promise of tiny paws padding around your home. By understanding the signs of pregnancy in dogs and providing your furry friend with the care and support she needs, you can help ensure a smooth and healthy pregnancy, culminating in the joyous arrival of her litter. Remember, every dog and every pregnancy is unique. Some dogs sail through pregnancy with minimal fuss, while others require a bit more TLC. By staying informed, being observant, and working closely with your veterinarian, you can help your beloved companion navigate the wonders of motherhood and welcome her puppies into the world with love and open arms.